Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Cypress, local, and long-distance movers near me. Finding a dependable and cheap Cypress moving company might seem like a chore. When you choose 3 movers, you get a team ready to help you with your local or long-distance move. We work with small residential or commercial customers. Our team can handle the largest and the smallest types of moves. You have enough to worry about when you're moving across state lines or across the country. Our long-distance movers will take the stress out of the moving process. We handle all the heavy lifting for you so you can concentrate on other parts of moving. We offer the basic moving services you need, along with the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, always on time, and transparent pricing. When you hire a California moving company, you gain plenty of benefits. The right local movers will help to save you time and get you settled into your new location faster. Plus, you avoid having to do any heavy lifting. You won't even need to find people to help you with your move. A local moving company such as 3 Movers can make moving days simple. We streamline the entire process. A move that would take you all weekend, we can complete in just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Cypress moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.